Hope you all are doing great. In this video, I am going to share with you why we should limit our screen time. Before we begin, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you find my videos helpful, please support me. So let's get started with the video. In today's world, it is very difficult to imagine our lives without screens. From the time we wake up in the morning to the time we go to bed at night, we are surrounded by screens. The first thing we see in the morning is our mobile phone. We check our emails, messages, social media, and so much more. Even while traveling, we are glued to our phones or our laptops. At night before going to bed, again, we spend a lot of time on our phones. You may be watching reels, short videos, or some TV shows. So basically, screens have become an integral part of our lives. But did you ever think that too much of anything is bad? Yes, spending too much time in front of screens can have a negative impact on our health. Let's take a look at why we should limit our screen time. The first reason, it affects our sleep. When we are in front of the screen, our brains get stimulated. This stimulation makes us alert and awake. Now, if we do this for a long period of time, our body gets affected. As a result, our biological clock, which controls our sleep-wake cycle, gets disturbed. It becomes difficult to fall asleep. You may keep tossing and turning in bed, but your eyes just won't get droopy. Too much screen time also reduces the amount of sleep we need. Suddenly, instead of sleeping for 8 hours at night, you might be getting just 4 hours of sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to many other physical and psychological problems. So try to avoid using screens at least 1 hour before going to bed. You can read a book or do some light stretches. Second reason, it affects our eyes. Our eyes are the most precious gifts from nature. We should take good care of them. But what do? We spend hours and hours in front of the computer or mobile phone screens. This constant exposure to screens causes eye strain, which may lead to headaches and blurred vision. Also, when we are in front of the screen, we tend to blink less, which makes the situation worse. To protect your eyes, follow the 20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at objects that are 20 feet away from you for at least 20 seconds. Third reason, it affects our posture. When we sit in front of the screen for a long time, we tend to slouch. This constant slouching leads to poor posture. It also causes neck pain, backaches, and even spinal problems. To avoid this, make sure you are sitting in a chair that supports your back. Also, take frequent breaks and stand up. Stretch your body and move around. Fourth reason, it affects our relationships. We spend so much time with our screens that we forget about the people around us. This is happening a lot nowadays. Even with families, all the members are present in the same room, but everyone is busy in their own world. Each person is busy on their phone. This not only affects our relationships, but also makes us feel lonely and isolated. So put your phone away and spend quality time with your loved ones. Talk to them, ask about their day, and make them feel loved. Fifth and the last reason, it affects our productivity. It has been proven that too much screen time reduces our attention span. We become easily distracted and find it difficult to focus on our work. Also, too much screen time makes us lazy. Instead of doing things ourselves, we call someone on the phone or message them. So to maintain a healthy balance between our work and personal life, it is important to limit our screen time. Make a list of the things you want to accomplish during the day and stick it somewhere where you may notice it. Take regular breaks to check your progress and reward yourself when you finish a task. So these are some of the reasons why we should limit our screen time. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like and share it with your family and friends. You can also share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.